there guys, this is Tracy and welcome to ToyBroadway. So today we're going to look at Disney Minnie Mouse Sweets, Games and Surprises. This is a blind bag, so no idea what's inside. Let's check it out. Oh, it's really exciting. Ooh. Well, first up, we've got something to make here. So let's do that, shall we? Looks like we can make a little bag with a Minnie Mouse theme. So let's just press out the shapes. Just bend the box to the right shape. And I think I'll need to get some sellotape. Just sellotape those sides down to make the box shape. But let's see, we've got the handles. And Minnie Mouse. Cute little sunglasses. And a Minnie Mouse lipstick. So let's check out how we put the handles on. I think we probably sellotape those as well. I'll be back in a moment. So I've stuck the sides together with sellotape and just some sellotape to stick the handles on. So it's quite robust and we just need to put the lipstick inside and the sunglasses. And I'll just sellotape on the Minnie Mouse little logo there. There we go. How cute does that look? So let's see what else we've got inside our bag of goodies. So we've got some stickers by the looks of it. So let's put a sticker on the other side of our little handbag. I think this one will be great. So lots of fun stickers there. I've got a pencil, some sweets, a lollipop, some more sweets, a mirror with Minnie Mouse on the back there in pink diamonds. Wow, that is fun. Let's open it up. Thought perhaps it might move, but there we go. Fantastic little mirror. Some more sweets, and it looks like we have a little booklet here. We've got some colouring to do, and there's games of noughts and crosses. There's a dot to dot there and some maths. practice your drawing. And some more maths, I think. Yep, counting there. And some colouring and some drawing. A maze. Let's spot the difference here. And the answers at the back. And what have we got here? Oh, it looks like it's bookmarks. So that's quite fun. Let's pop those out, shall we? Just let's go for the end one, shall we? See if it works. So we can bookmark which page we're going to go to next. I think we'll go to Drawing Minnie Mouse. There we are. Now we can just turn to the correct page. There we are. So here we go then, and that was our blind bag opening of the Minnie Mouse's Disney pack there, full of great surprises, including a fantastic little handbag with a lipstick and sunglasses. You can pop our sweets in there, lollipop, pencil and mirror. So that's jam-packed full of goodies now. And we've got lots of great stickers and a fun little booklet there, lots of games and things to do, and also we've got our bookmarks there. So take care, don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, and come back for a whole lot more. So bye for now and see you very soon.